kontra droga. Tayo ng masama para sa bayan. Tungo sa kaunlaran, kumilos ka bataan, imulat ang iyong mata ng iyong makita. Buhay na maliwanag, droga iwasan natin, hatid nito'y kasamaan sa ating katawan at sa lipunan. Kaya droga'y wag nating titikman. So come on, you got it right. The taking drugs is bad to our health. Kaya wag titikman, dahil kasama ay dulot nito sa katawan. Huksain ang droga, tayo nang magkaisa. Marijuana sa buko, cocaine at ecstasy. These are the drugs that lead us to wrong destiny. But we can prevent it by making good friends, because good friends are considered good influence. Cocaine not excessive, these are the drugs that leads us to wrong destiny. But we can prevent it by making good friends, because good friends are considered good influence. So get out, drugs addicts. Say yes to us, Lord God. We don't want our future destroyed, 'cause we need that one thing, and that is to serve God. Ang kabataan, ang pag-asa ng bayan. Sabi ni Rizal, kaya ito'y gawing totohanan. Anong nangyayari? Kabataan ay nalilihim. Marijuana, shabu, cocaine at ecstasy. Ito'y drogang gamit ng mga adik. Huwag silang tularan at kayahin. Bagkus maging ehemplo ng magandang gawin, upang pag-unlad ay makamit.
Heart beats fast, colors and promise.